Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have experienced with our DVD drives. So here's the problem. I have two DVD rewritable drives, one external USB and one internal. But the external one, drive F, is giving me a hard time when it comes to accessing data and playing music CDs. No matter what I do, it keeps prompting me to insert a disc when one is already in there. Frustrating, right? Now, let's talk about the solution. The DVD and CD reading laser in DVD drives are often the same, so it's possible that the CD laser in your external drive has failed, which is why it's struggling to read CDs properly. While it's harder to test individual components without specialized tools, cleaning the lasers could potentially solve the issue. So, if your drive was in storage or dusty, giving it a good clean might just do the trick. In summary, if your external DVD drive is acting up when it comes to reading CDs, it could be a laser component issue. Try cleaning the lasers to see if that helps improve its performance. And there you have it. Thanks for tuning in today. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy DVD troubleshooting.